Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to remove a Fitbit device from your Fitbit account. So to get started on how you can simply remove a Fitbit device from a Fitbit account, so the first thing to do is just step one is to open the Fitbit app, then launch the app on your iPhone or Android and make sure you are signed in into your account. Then on step two, you have to tap your profile icon. So to do this, tap your profile picture in the top left corner. Under device, select the Fitbit device you want to remove. It can be your chat saas or Vassal. It depends on the one you have. Then on step three, you have to scroll down and tap remove the device. So to do this, scroll down to the bottom of the device setting page, then tap remove this device or remove the device name. Then on step 4, you have to confirm the removal. So when prompted, tap remove device to confirm. So this device will be disconnected from your account and no longer synced. And that's how you can simply remove a Fitbit device from your Fitbit account. Find the video helpful. If you did, try the button and subscribe for more. Thanks.